All right, we came across a place called Rush Mountain Adventure Park. And they got this huge slide that looks like you start up at the top of the mountain. I hope we don't have to walk up it. Nope, you got a little conveyor thing. Anyway, we're gonna go check this out. That might be fun. Take the slide down the mountain. Oh, this place is really cool. Hi.
So I have some info for you, but I know it's hard to hold a piece of paper and ride a bike, so.
So what is it?
This is just all of our current pricing and ticket info for you.
Oh, do I need to have it?
You don't need to have it. I was gonna say they have all this in the gift shop too, but if you want it to make it easier.
If we want to ride that slide, can we park up at the top, or what do we do?
Well, you actually get on the ride down here in this building. It pulls you up from the bottom and
then cool.
Ride down.
And then where can we park? Is it on the hill? Is there a flat spot, or down here?
You can park down here in the gravel lot. If
okay.
That's easier. Otherwise, you kind of have to park way up and walk down. So.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great time.
Okay. Oh, that's dangerous right there. Is your seatbelt broken? Yeah. Here it comes. See ya.
I can actually see the screen. It's a really good angle.
Right on. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So it's automatic. It's going to take you to the stop and go by itself. When you get there, you're going to see two white signs that say push handles forward. That's going to be your visual cue to push your handles forward.
Okay. Thank you.
Just a reminder, guys, this is for more coaches. You don't have to go full speed. Don't go too slow. If you're too slow, you're going to get stuck.
Here we go, Josh. Oh, baby. Hey! Hammer down! Yeah! Hammer down. This is absolutely, this is like upscale. I did this at the Great Wall in China, and let me tell you, big difference between this coaster car and what they have there for coaster cars. I think this is this it? Ooh. Oh, now we're talking. Big incline coming up. Oh, jeez. I don't know if you can see this in the video, but this is at least, I don't know, a 60-degree incline, I guess. Feel like I'm in some kind of NASA old space shuttle getting ready to launch. Oh, this is beautiful up here. Oh, my GPS is going off in my pocket. Push handles forward. Here we go. $80 Oh yeah, this looks, oh, this is fun. You got to do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, full throttle, full throttle. Whoa, G-forces, G-forces. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This baby's fast. This baby is fast. Oh, yeah. Woo! Whoa! Ah, hold on. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Oh, somehow auto brake. Auto brake. Very cool. Now this way?
No.
Oh, left. The other left. Thank you. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Sandy. I work here at Rush Mountain Adventure Park, home of Rushmore Cave. You gotta make sure and make it down here in this part of the hills in South Dakota. You'll just have the time of your life riding all of our rides.
No. Make money.
Like a pro.
Yeah.